If you go to the Ricochet online store icon, then go down to Settings and click Once. Here you'll be able to set specific settings for your web store. That's going to be things like payment types, SEO and tracking, and also a few additional features as well. At the top of the page is going to be the payment section. Here you'll see the PayPal and online card processing fields. The first field is for PayPal, in case you would like to use a PayPal business account to accept payments for online transactions. This is a very simple process, and all you'll need is a business PayPal account. Add that email address you used to create the account into the PayPal login email address field. Then click Connect. That's going to redirect you to PayPal to finish up the steps. Now what will happen is when customers come to the site, there'll be a PayPal button where they can be brought to PayPal to either check out as a guest or through their PayPal account. If you are using our integrated merchant service Gravity Payments and have requested a web key, you will see that web key in the Gravity Payments web key field. Utilizing Gravity Payments will be the best user experience for the customer and will also allow for a few additional features. Below the Gravity Payments web key field is additional tender types. If you're utilizing Gravity, you can offer things like gift cards, consignor credit, rewards credit, or store credit to be used by your customers or consignors at the point of online purchase. Now, one thing to note, the gift cards do need to be issued by Gravity. And if you have any additional questions on how to get set up with Gravity, feel free to give us a call. The next section is going to be your SEO and tracking section. This is where you can set up things like your Google Analytics code or Google website verification key. So if you're planning on using Google Analytics, which is a great free service Google offers, what allows you to track which customers are coming to your site, how long they're staying, things like that, you can create your Google Analytics account, then put that tracking ID into this field. Now, the Google website verification key is used for very specific services. If you are utilizing those, you can go ahead and put that verification key into this field. Next is the Pinterest website claim. What this does is verify your Pinterest posts from your website on Pinterest. Essentially, if you put your Pinterest content key here, and if you post anything to Pinterest from your website, there will be a verification icon to let them know that that site is legitimate. Now below that's going to be a sitemap where you can drop your sitemap.xml file into this field. This helps Google and other search engines to crawl your page and increases your quality score. If this is something you're unfamiliar with, we definitely say leave it alone because in no way is it going to hurt your business. But feel free to reach out with any questions. Finally, there is the homepage title section. When you open up a tab with your website, this is the title that'll show in the top tab. So make sure to put in something that just references your store name. So the easiest option is just going to be to put your store name into the title field. At the very bottom, you're going to have the store selection and social links. The store selection tool is utilized if your business has multiple locations. The Ricochet web store can only attach to one location, so here you can choose that particular store. At the very bottom, you are going to have your social links. These are the social media icons that will appear in the footer of every website. You can turn on any of the social media icons by turning on their toggle button, and then add in your Facebook, Instagram, or Twitter URL into the field below. Now, one thing to keep in mind with this, you don't want to put in your Twitter or Instagram handle. You'll want to go to Instagram or Twitter from a computer, copy the link of your account, and then add that into these fields.